So I got some Sam's Club Members Mark pizza here. So, Sam's Club Cafe pizza. I got pepperoni and meat lovers. Also got some nacho cheese dip as well, which is pretty good. These slices are huge. So I'm gonna have one for lunch, a couple for lunch, and then like some for dinner. I was gonna go to Taco Bell today, but they didn't really have anything interesting on the menu, so I decided to go to Sam's Club because I haven't been to Sam's Club in a while. They actually remodeled Sam's Club too. It's actually pretty cool inside. Their cheese dip is pretty good. I'm trying to meat lovers now. Let's try a pepperoni. Sam's Club pizza is really the best, to be honest. 9 out of 10. It's better. It's not as good as Stewart's, but it's probably my my third favorite after Little Caesars. So, Sam's Club Members Mark Cafe, or Sam's Club Cafe Members Mark Meat Lovers Pizza, and pepperoni pizza. Peace.